Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be discussing bijectivity and inverse functions. So a bijective function f that goes from D to C, where D is the domain and C is the codomain, is both injective and surjective. So injective is just another word for one-to-one, and surjective is the same as onto. And if you want to know more about what injective and surjective are, make sure to check out my last video where I've discussed both of these and also given examples. So it's relatively straightforward, but let's look at inverse functions and some of their properties. So given a function f that goes from D to C, and another function g from C to D. So D is the domain and C is the codomain of f, but here C is the domain and D is the codomain of G. So both these functions are invertible, or a function G is the inverse of f. And this is written as G is equal to f inverse. And this is only true if G of f is equal to, to write this clearly, let's say G of f of x is equal to x, and f of g of x is also equal to x. If such a function g exists, we say that f is invertible. So don't worry if you don't understand this right now. I'm going to be discussing an example, and that should clear things up. So consider two functions f and g that both have the same domain and codomain, that's the real numbers, with f of x is equal to 3x plus 2 and g of x is equal to x minus 2 over 3. So we have to argue that g is equal to f inverse. So we take any x. So we first have to find g of f of x. And this, let me just write the parentheses so that it's clear up as well. So g of f of x. This can be written as g of f of x, which is g of x, f of x is 3x plus 2. So we just plug in 3x plus 2 everywhere you have x and g. So that is equal to 3x plus 2 minus 2 divided by 3. The plus 2 and minus 2 get cancelled out and you're left with x. Similarly, let's figure out if f of g of x is also equal to x. And if this is equal to x, we show that g is equal to f inverse. So this can be written as f of g of x, which is f of x minus 2 over 3. So wherever you have x in f of x, you plug in x minus 2 over 3. So you're left with 3 times x minus 2 over 3 plus 2. You can cancel out the 2 3's and you're left with x. So we have shown that g is equal to f inverse because g of f of x and f of g of x are both equal to x. So now, this leads us to a conclusion that this is quite important, and it basically states that a function f that goes from D to C is invertible if and only if it is bijective. And bijective means it's injective and surjective both. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed everything. If you guys have any questions, please make sure to leave it in the comment section below, and please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.